In today's video, you will learn how to use graphs in CapCut PC. The graph editor is one of the most powerful animation tools inside CapCut because it gives you much more control over how motion and keyframes behave. Instead of having animations move at a constant speed, graphs allow you to create smoother and more natural motion by adjusting the acceleration and timing between keyframes. To begin, create a few keyframes on your clip for demonstration purposes. Keyframes are used to mark changes in position, scale, rotation, or other properties over time. For example, you might create one keyframe at the beginning of the clip and another later in the timeline after changing the size or position of the video. Once you have at least two keyframes, CapCut can animate the movement between them automatically. After setting up U keyframes, the next step is opening the graph editor. To do this, use the keyboard shortcut Alt+K to open it more quickly. Once the graph editor appears, expand the Scale section under the Transform controls. This area displays the motion curve that controls how the animation behaves between keyframes. Select one of the keyframes and choose the Free Curve option. This unlocks the ability to manually edit the graph and customize the animation timing exactly how you want. You can drag and adjust the curve handles to control how quickly or slowly the movement accelerates and decelerates. For example, smoother curves can create more cinematic motion, while sharper curves can create fast and energetic transitions often used in edits and montages. Repeat the same process for the other keyframes if you want full control over the entire animation sequence. After applying the graph settings, preview your animation to see how the movement changes. You should notice the transitions looking smoother and more visually appealing compared to standard keyframe animation. And that is how you use graphs in CapCut PC to create smoother and more professional keyframe animations using custom curves and graph presets.